Gold and silver both traded with the bearish bias for the day. We have seen gold moving towards 22.95 while silver has already seen 26.10-15 zone. I hope you all profited so far with the first update which we have shared few hours back with the Asian Europe session. Now what to expect today with the US session and before that with the data. How we can profit with that, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. This is the only channel in the world which gives you twice a day updates and targets with precision and accuracy so that you all can profit and benefit. Reach out to me for your queries related to training. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Gold on the early charts, as you have seen earlier in the day, has been trading in this bearish channel, and the top of the channel it is respecting. Where is the top of the channel right now? It is around 23, 26, 28. I have shared earlier in the day also the only buying entry is about 23, 26, 28, while you can sell here at 22, 14, 23, 14, 16 zone. And see, it is traded bearish for the day. It has formed a bottom and now trying to bounce back. See, straight bearish candles now trying to recover. If you see, it is staying above 23.06 levels, you can buy, but then see 23.10 and 23.13.5, 23.16. This is going to be the zone where we are going to get maximum resistance for gold. So if you see it is staying above this zone, we can say it is trying to reverse, and thus you can buy here at 23.06 levels, but you have to be trading with caution as long as 23.16 and then 23.26, 28 zone is not taken. Only bullish reversal is if you see gold trading above 23, 26, 28 levels. Very, very clear what it has done. See, look at the rise in this candle. It was from 22.95 zone, and see it has erased all the gains from here, and now from the same zone it is trying to bounce back, so a recovery can be expected here. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold, while the MACD is right now trading bearish. It is looking downwards, so there have to be couple of candles in order to converge and cross over for a buying entry. Right now it is bearish. RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts we have to wait for it to erase the losses from this candle, that is 23.06, and then wait for 23.10, and then as I shared 23.13.5, 23.16 zone. If these three levels are taken, more bullish momentum is going to be seen. As you can clearly see, gold is trading in this bearish channel. The lows are far below. How far? It is almost at around 22.75 levels if it continues to trade bearish from the current levels. Thus a selling entry I will only recommend is at 22.95 and 22.92. This is going to be the support zone for the day. Below 22.91-92 is where the bears will take over towards 22.85, 22.75 levels. The stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. It can again start to diverge. See, main trend retracement, and it can again start to diverge and stay bullish. If you look at the RSI, this is flat. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, three bearish candles trying to bounce back. There could be a little recovery. Where is the preceding candle started from? 23.10 zone, making it a very, very good resistance. You can also note at these two candles. Thus we have to wait for it to break past beyond these two levels, and beyond which you can say little bullishness might be seen. Stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is flat. So yes, the MACD right now on the 3-hour, 4-hour charts are still on the bullish note, are still in green. If you look at 4-hour charts here also, the rise, the retracement, see, now connect these dots here, you will find that though the resistance is here, it is trying to consolidate, it is trying to stay in this zone. Where are the highs? 23, 24, 26, and in fact 23, 28, that is the high it needs to break in order to stable. So if you connect this, because there is a reversal sign, the rise, the retracement, and it can again take the upward momentum here. It can again stay bullish and move towards 23, 28, or in fact if it breaks that 23.40 levels can also be expected. The stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD is in green and it can continue to trade bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register for it now today. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Else you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, connect with me for any of your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a safe, secure environment where the transactions and withdrawals are easier, which offers a SAP-free account with the lowest spreads, you can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer. If you look at the daily chart, see on the daily charts, Earlier in the day, I mentioned that right now it is forming lower highs, and it is very, very important for gold to break beyond 23, 26, 28 zone. Since then, we have seen it trading bearish. Now, see, one observation here is one is bigger bearish candle, then a swing candle. Current candle can take it towards the lows. It is right now looking. However, it is not yet bearish. It has to break. It can reverse. See, the data can do wonders. It can reverse completely and recover. Right now I can see that it is trying to bounce back on the early charts, but still it has lot much of journey to cover in order to show a complete reversal. Stochastic is looking down. This is bearish. MACD is also divergent and bearish, looking downwards. And if you look at the RSI, this is also bearish. So the indicators are bearish and the candle is bearish, but on the 4-hour and 3-hour charts, the MACD suggests that it can continue on the upward trajectory for a little while. Thus, for the day, you can buy here at 2306 levels. Expect 2310, 2313.5, 2316. That is the first and second resistance zone. And then beyond, we can look forward to 2324, 2328 zone. Only and only if gold trades above 2324, 28, you should consider that as a bullish reversal. And then it, most importantly, it has to break past 23, 36, 38 zone in order to stay bullish, else it can continue to drop or it can reverse as well. Now, thus, if you see it reversing, I will recommend you to sell here at 2294 levels, below which, see, 2294.92 is going to be a very, very good support zone. If you see it dropping below 2292, you can say that we might be looking at 2386 and 2382. Once it drops below 2382, yesterday's lows, we are looking forward to 2275. Below 2275 is where the bears will take over completely. So take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss and the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts. See, it has already achieved lower lows here. The yesterday's lows were already at around 2615, 2620 zone. It has breached those levels. It has achieved the lower lows here. So right now it is on the path of a recovery after a state bearishness. So if you see, it is staying above 2640. Remember earlier in the day I mentioned that 2640 is a good support zone. It has breached this. Now 2640, if it breaches on the upside, again there could be little bullishness, but then most importantly, it has to break beyond 2660 and 70 levels. If these two levels are taken, then you can say it is trying to reverse. You can say it has formed a nice flag, and a breakout might take it about 2680 again, and it can stay bullish. But right now it is showing slight bearishness. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD, look at the MACD on the hourly charts. It has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish here. RSI is also dropped, trying to bounce back. Coming to 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour charts, straight drop, trying to recover here. If you see, it is staying above 2640. When you see the lower price is above 2640, excluding the spreads, you can take a buy position here. Expect it to move towards 2660-70 zone, and then beyond that it can try to break past 2680 and 27. Only reversal confirmation today is if it trades about $27 levels. You can say that it is trying to reverse, and then also 2720, 2740 is going to be the critical resistance. Stochastic is oversold. MACD again crossing over here for sell. This could bring slight bearishness. RSI has dropped, trying to recover. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, likewise, see, bullishness was with the smaller body size candles, and see, the bearishness here is sharp. The bullishness was with the smaller body sizes, and the bearishness again here is sharp. So from here it could try to recover, and it can continue to trade in this bearish channel here. Now this bearish channel lows are far below 26 and towards 2580 levels. So if you see it is staying below 2610 levels, you can take a sell entry and expect it to move towards 20. See, 2610, 26 definitely going to be a very, very good support, and then 2580, 75 levels. If these two levels are taken, then only we should treat silver as bearish. Else what will happen? It can try to recover a bit. How far? 2650, 2670 zone can be expected here. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold. MACD is in green. It is tried to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is sitting at bottom. Coming to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, see, the bearishness is with bigger bearish candles, then the retracement, then again bearishness, lower lows and lower highs. It can try to again move towards the highs of this channel towards 2670. And if it breaks past 27 any point of time today, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2720, 2740 levels. The stochastic oversold. MACD crossing over here for sell. RSI at bottom. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, so far for the day, you can see One important observation here is lower highs and lower lows trying to stay in the zone. Only recovery today, only reversal today is if it stays above 27. We have very clearly mentioned here. It can try to show you swings. Yes, the data today is going to be there, and the data is definitely going to bring or add lot much of volatility. It can rise and it can erase the gains in a single candle as well. So if you're taking a trade today, you have to strictly trail. As long as 27 is not taken, we have to be careful here, as what we are seeing here, a bigger bearish candle then a swing candle, and today lower lows are already done. If you see silver is staying below 26, you can expect 25.75 and in fact 25.60 zone. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped. So considering this, buy at 26.40. When you see the lower prices above 26.40, you can initiate a buying entry here. While a selling entry today, I will recommend is in between 26 and 26.10 levels, which are going to be critical support zone, below which you are looking forward to 25.75, 25.60 levels as the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for the live market updates. Do like, share and comment as well before leaving the video. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.